Guys, today it's me, and I just kind of want to make this video. It's kind of a thing. I might make it a series, but I am not sure. Oh, man. So today what we are doing is we are doing this, which looks very complicated, and you're probably like, what are you doing, Trip? Well, so what you're gonna need is, you don't have to get this exact piece, this is just me, but you need to get something that connects this, and basically you need this piece and this wheel piece here. This wheel piece here I would recommend too. It's not even optional. I don't know why I'm saying I would recommend it. You need to get this, you need to get some sort of like piece, you need to also get some sort of platform. So, this is optional, obviously, but it just kind of helps me do it. But I'm basically going to show you how to make a thing where, like, once you pull it out, boom, this flips, and like you can go on from there, and it's not that complicated, actually. So I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, I am back, and I have this and this. So, this is my first time actually trying to work on this. So let's see if it's possible. So, test number 1. Can we do this? We cannot. Can we do this? Obviously not either. I was because like I'm hoping I can do it, but I need it to somehow be able to do this at the end. That's what I want as the result. So you can see that it's gonna, pop off something, and then it's gonna be really cool. And then this is my first time doing this, so I'm just kind of testing if this is accurate. If not, this video probably is not uploaded to YouTube. Yeah. Actually, I have a good idea. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay. So, what my idea is we don't need this, and I don't know. It's not relevant to what I think could possibly happen, so I'm going to put this right here. So, okay, so it's going right here. And then it presses that, and if you push up, because you have a pressure point, and theoretically it's gonna start to bend up, and then boom, everything, will not be there anymore. So that could be, if you're trying to like destroy something and you don't like it, this is probably not the best way to do it, but I don't know, if you're trying to do that as a play feature almost, I would definitely recommend doing it. I would not recommend doing it as like a way to destroy what you have created. I'd just take it apart with your hands, because it would basically be better. But if you're using it as a play feature, I would recommend it. It's not 100% effective, but for an example, so this platform is connected to this platform, okay, and so you hit that point, the pressure goes up, and boom, it's not connected to this platform anymore. So to test that, our other test relating to this, which I'm gonna take this out, since I'm going to have to build the structure, will be this test. And you will be needing another platform, which is, like, it doesn't have to be this, but I would recommend it. And you also need, like, a piece that just sticks out. And then you also need to get another piece so it can lay there, and it would actually be relevant to the situation. Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about at this point. But anyways, so it will stay to where the point that it can actually happen. I'd recommend 2, like, standing points, basically. You can do it with any block as long as it's, like, 1 in depth, whatever you call it. So it's, like, 1 up. So yes, I used this. I'm using this old thing. I don't know. I had it built from a past Lego set, and I probably took apart. So I'm gonna see if it works with multiple structures. Okay. That was not supposed to happen. That was actually not supposed. Dang it. Hold on. Okay. I'm sorry about that. Okay. So, attempt 2. So let's see if this is going to knock out the whole entire building. It's not. It's just gonna pop up. Hopefully these come off, but I really doubt it. So, if you're doing this and you want the things to come off, I would recommend actually having a structure attached to it, or at least partially connected to it, so it adds more force to what you're doing. I mean, Legos are like normal things in real life. They're not just toys. They have real physics. They're not, So I'm gonna use one of the structures right here. I'm gonna replace it with something else, of course. One of these blocks that is not loaded. I mean, that didn't really make any sense. Anyways, so, Anyways, sorry. So I'm going to use this as an example. So this is going to attach to it, and if my theory is correct, this should add more pressure to it because your pressure is going up, and then that would cause it to go down. So let's try that. And it actually did not add more pressure. Actually, it just kind of has more likely of a chance of you doing that. It has more likely of a chance of you. I would recommend like doing this with a boom, but it wouldn't. So, but you would have to add like another block to increase its like depth or whatever, and even then it's not gonna match with the rest of it unless you increase those depth. So just gonna do that real quick, and then if I am correct, that should solve the problem of it, not working because every other thing is not as deep and it just would look wonky. Okay. Yeah, sometimes the attempts are not great. Kind of getting ticked off like this. So you gotta plug it in and then boom. So where did the other piece go? Here's the thing with Legos. Is it literally? Oh, it's stuck to the dang thing. Okay. So, attempt number 2. It did the same thing again. Keeps making mistakes. Okay. Crap. Okay. I was touching that, so sorry, I don't know what I was doing. Gosh. Okay. Please work this time. I'm probably gonna play my Switch after this. Actually, I'll probably play more Legos. Okay. So, as you can see, it's set up. It's all set up. Wow. Okay. So, I have a flat piece on this, and theoretically, that should cause more freaking pressure on the top of this, causing the whole thing to, just shatter into pieces. This isn't really a good structure thing because... So, I'm not going to include that, actually. I should get rid of that. Okay. Why am I... Okay. It doesn't work because you're applying it downwards. And it's more of this actually going downwards that kind of causes that illusion, kind of, if that makes any sense. It's not an illusion, but still it deconnects, so it's, it's... But I would recommend just doing this. I mean, you don't have to go through what I just told you. I'm just experimenting in this video, and I don't know. Just keep playing Legos and keep being creative and keep trying to improve my mechanism. I mean, if the comments are activated on this, I doubt they are because of YouTube's whatever. I don't know. But if you can comment like a link to a better design or something like that, please do not rickroll me, please. Actually, I shouldn't have said that now that I'm thinking about that. Gosh. Okay, yeah, please do not rickroll me. Do not give me a scam. Oh, okay. Anyways, I'll stop.